In this activity, you will build a small car. These are the items that you will have in your kit. You will also need a hot glue gun. Hot glue some straw pieces to your wood. We're going to give that some time to dry. Next, you will put the axle on the wheel. Make sure that you push hard. Then you will slide the straw portion over the axle. And you will attach the other wheel to the other side. Same on this side. Don't forget to push hard. And now you have a little simple car that rolls. And you can color it if you like.